So we're excited to release our Pro M series, which incorporates a new multiplex architecture. We're a conservative company. We like to move carefully into new areas, and we've been working on it for 4 or 5 years. We've moved very carefully into this area because often you create new problems by solving old problems, and we didn't really want to go there. So after much attention and effort, we're happy to release the Pro M series. Multiplex is kind of the word that everyone throws around. The reason this is important, it's got nothing to do with multiplex or any of that. It's because it's easier to install. You're not cutting big holes in the firewall. You've got a single tiny connector that you need to get into the cab of the truck. A traditional system, if you've got an auger and a spinner and a vibrator and a light, that's 7 or 8 wires. What multiplex does is it takes those 7 or 8 wires and turns them into 2. So you just have a signal plus and a signal minus. They're much less sensitive to corrosion, contamination, noise. But again, it's about reducing connections. It's about reducing those failure points. So obviously we're selling the spreaders now with the multiplex pre-installed. We do have an upfit kit or retrofit kit. So for example, if you've got a Pro spreader that is due for a new controller, or the harness has gone bad, this gives someone an option to kind of upgrade to the multiplex. It's pretty easy to do. You're just changing the connectors on the motor. Really, the multiplex is just the control head, the harness, and the power module. So those are really the 3 main parts. So it's a pretty simple upfit.